Dude, this is gonna be so easy. It's weird that like not everything fits. I've scratched this frame, I believe. And glue it on. Do we have any glue? Wait, what?
Joey Harlem is in no way a mechanic for bikes on wheels, and his opinions and expressions are solely his own.
Hi, I'm Joey Harlem. Welcome to Bikes on Wheels. And today I'm gonna build my own bike. I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna ride it. Oh, that's weird. It's in pieces. I thought the bike would come more built than this. Like, it doesn't even have tires. This is, I'm cool. We got this, dude. This is gonna be cool. There's these things, these cable ties, I guess. Don't need that. Why would I need a box within a box? Like, what the f, dude? These guys are stupid. Oh, I'm starting to see it now. Where'd that box go? Has anybody seen a box? Jordan? Where? I'm a man. I'm a real man. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be like Lego. You're gonna see it. It's like gonna take an hour. Like tops. Hey, yeah. You know how I said I was gonna be there for 7? It's gonna be like 10. Like, really, this is like a lot more. I put a lot in my mouth. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. It's no. I understand if you want to break up with me. Hello? It's important that when you're building your bike frame that you use scissors so that you can strike your newly finished frame. Fixie bike riders really enjoy when their bikes are kind of messed up. Yeah. Halfway there, bro. We're halfway. Is this? Oh God, what is that? Oh, that's grease. That's grease. That is grease. Set on a bicycle. Oh, it's on the wrong side. Okay, I think that's enough for the bottom bracket. Can we get this fork built up, man? Because I just don't, it's the one thing I'm not good at. I'm gonna be creative. It just appeared. Yeah, dude. I'm so good at this. Front cup. Dude, shut up. Maybe if I look at another bike. Oh, okay. That's a guide. Oh, yeah, dude. Totally messed that up. That's not at all how that's supposed to go. Okay, where's this piece? Harrison? Yeah, you know, for me, the action is the juice. Dude, did you know spiders have 8 legs? And this is the wrong cut. Yeah, it's my fault. Sean's gonna love this video, bro. And like, it's gonna be good because you're not gonna show this part. It's gonna look like I'm good at building legs. My mom had one of these in the closet. That's how. There you go. There's a lot of nuance that I'm missing in my life. You know what my favorite part about today is? I'm gonna go and meet my girlfriend who's angry at me for dinner, and I'm gonna have a new bike. So good at this, bro. Dude, all the 20-something-year-olds that live at home are gonna love my bike. It is important to loosen things before you tighten them. Look at that. That's made of the same material that other bikes are made out of. We're so close, bro. Dude, I'm so sick, bro. I had like 10 beers and like rode into a divider in the middle of the street. Hard as f. Are you selling those clips though? And you just keep doing this until it tightens. You're not a real fixed gear rider until you've got in your ass. You know what it's like to ride a Vendetta in the middle of the 401? My name's Z. Roasted. You wanna hear some truth? Okay, so this is made of metal too. That's weird. Oh God! I need a chain. Yeah, right. Jordan? Louis? John? Blair? Oh, where'd my chain go? Oh, wow. You can see this is all street grime. This is what a properly greased chain should look like. You should have like strange hairs coming out of every 6 links. This dude. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like scared to ride this thing. Like, oh, be a fixed gear rider, take your brakes off your bike, and have a heart attack. Scream at cab drivers. Oh, it's Rossi again, looking for likes.
Roasted.
Yeah, I gotta knock a few guys off this dude. 7 or 8. This is called a chain breaker. And what you do is you take a chain that you have in your life and you break it. Oh! Oh yeah, missed it. Smells like crayons. Oh man, I don't want to slam it. I shouldn't slam it. I'm a good Catholic boy. Maybe I should slam it. Man, this bike is this is a sweet thing. I'm very excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited, dude. This is where you find out the kind of man you are. This is how you manhandle your tire. That's gonna be real tight, but I like it. It's important to never clean your drivetrain. Keep it greasy. We have to add a link. Let's use the chain breaker again. Ooh, so fun. I love my job, dude. Christ. I'm telling you, you can't work on your bike until you've you have to bleed. Unless you're Harrison. Oh, my name's Harrison. Do good at my job. Did you push the pin out of your master? I did not. There's no way. No. Great, I actually dropped something that I need. This is awesome. Are you guys, just gonna put this on the internet?
It's gonna be on the internet, yeah.
Dude. Oh my god. Why is this happening to me? I just want to go to sleep.
It's just a piece of the chain. That's it right there.
I hate my life, dude. I don't know how I got here. Do I have to switch up my bottom bracket?
Yeah.
So, what happened with the crank?
Shut up, dude. Why do you ask so many questions, man?
So you see. I don't know if I should laugh.
Go ahead, Harrison. Laugh, dude. Laugh it up. Yuck it up. This is my hands doing an impression of Blair. Roasted! I'm so good at my job, dude. Am I rubbing again? No, I'm not. I can't be. Mom, why is there a shirtless man in the bike shop? We're done? We're good?
Oh, keep it there. There.
We're clear, dude. We're good. This. Hello? Oh, shit. Oh.